I'm going to smoke some tri-tips on my old Smokey today. I've got the Vortex in here, and hopefully that'll raise my charcoals up closer to the grate to where it'll be easier to sear them. See how it goes. Oh, and I want to do a shout out to my friend Mike over at the Grillin' Dude. Sup, dude? Y'all check him out at the Grillin' Dude. Got a great channel. I'm going to use my meat stick. Seems to be working out pretty good for me. Oh, and by the way, I rubbed these down with a rub that I got from Rye, Cooking with Rye. I want to give a big shout out to him too. And I'll provide the recipe for that rub down in the description box. I closed the vents a little bit. So we'll just let her cook until the meat comes up to about 110. And then most of my cooking will be done with the lid off. As you can see, my meat is 110 internal, so I'm going to pull it off right now. All right, we got the fire going pretty hot now. We're going to go ahead and sear these things. According to the meat stick, I could pull it right now. It's setting at 131. Let's try a piece. Oh man, melts in your mouth. I'll be trying this again. Most definitely. Wait a minute, I'm missing something. A beer. I'm missing a beer. I gotta go get me one right now.